Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to enable autoplay videos while on cellular data on Pinterest. Maybe you enjoy watching videos on Pinterest and want them to automatically play even when using cellular data. So today I'm going to show you how to enable autoplay videos while on cellular data on Pinterest. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your Pinterest application and log into your account. Once you are logged in, tap on this profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to our profile page. On this page, tap on this three dots icon located at the top right corner. A menu will appear, and here, you should select this settings option. On this window, tap on the social permissions option. Here, scroll up, and under Download section, you can now see this autoplay videos on cellular data option. Since you wanted to enable this option, you simply need to toggle on this button beside the option. After that, you now have successfully enabled autoplay videos while on cellular data on Pinterest. You can now enjoy seamless video playback even when you are not connected to Wi-Fi. There you go. If you wanted to know how to enable autoplay videos while on cellular data on Pinterest, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to enable autoplay videos while on cellular data on Pinterest, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.